Hello, sixth graders. One more video to help you prepare for the French exams. Okay, so let's talk about contracted articles and the prepositions de and a. On va parler sur ces deux prépositions. We're going to speak about these two prepositions when they become contracted articles, meaning when we mix them, when we contract them with these articles. Okay, le, la, les, and obviously the L apostrophe. Okay, so let's go. A means to, at, in. There's no difference between these three. These three, they mean a. Okay? Then when we contract, it's like mixing two colors. You have a third one. Okay, so a plus le, o. That you should know already by heart. And then a plus L apostrophe before vowels or age, mute age. Okay, so irrespective if it's masculine or feminine, man, but this one is masculine, man, but this one is feminine, doesn't matter. If it starts with a vowel or age, it's going to be this one, okay? A, L apostrophe. A plus la, a plus le is o, okay? So these two are the most tricky ones, okay? The ones that I told you. You mix two colors, it becomes a third one. Okay, so je vais au parc. Okay, masculine. Je suis à la piscine. On va. Okay, here's plural. First thing you have to check in a sentence, if you have to work with contracted articles, if we explain, please put the contracted articles. Is it plural? The noun. Is the noun plural? This is the first thing you have to check, because then you go straight to O. Okay, if it's not plural, then what is the second thing you have to check on the noun? If it starts with a vowel or H. And then, here we don't have, but then it would be a, L apostrophe. Then only you check if the noun is masculine or feminine. Okay? Okay, so, je visite. Okay, so I visit the museums. We are not talking about to the, right? We are not saying to the, at the, in the, no. We are saying I visit the museums. So je visite les musées. Okay? Okay. Now let's talk about the de preposition with the contracted articles. Les articles contractés avec la préposition de. What does it mean? De. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? De. It means of, about, from, or about. Okay? When you mix with the determiner, de plus le becomes du. Okay? So this is the tricky one with this. De plus L apostrophe, de la, and de les becomes des. Okay? These two are the tricky ones. These ones are the easy ones. Okay, so je rentre, I come back from, remember that? De la bibliothèque. Okay, very good. Because this is feminine. Je rentre du restaurant. I come back from the restaurant. Okay, c'est la maison. It's the house of the parents of Lucy. That's what I want to say. So, of the parents of Lucy. So, c'est la maison des parents de Lucy. You see here, this is not a contracted article. This is the preposition alone. And you have to be savvy enough to understand that if I give you all of these options plus the de, okay, so all of the contracted articles plus the preposition de, to fill in many gaps, many blanks, you have to be able to identify when you have to use of the, from the, about the, or when you have to just use these of, about, or from. Okay? Like here, c'est la maison des parents de Lucie. Got it? Understood? So, for example, mon cahier de français. My notebook of French. We don't have this, my French notebook. It's always my notebook of French. So my teacher of French. Ma professeure de français. Okay? Good. But now let's talk about some expressions. Expression means that we're not talking about the literal meaning of things. Remember, whenever that I taught you in the beginning of term 2, okay? Whenever we say jouer plus a sport or activity, you are going to use the a family of contracted articles. These ones, okay? So, jouer au foot, okay? Jouer aux échecs. Remember when we talk about activities like chess, cards, jouer aux cartes, or for example, jouer aux jeux vidéo, okay? Then you use the plural one. Okay, so jouer plus musical instruments. I taught you very recently that. So you use the family of contracted articles. These ones. So, je joue de la guitare, du piano, okay? Now, whenever you say faire, je fais, for example, plus sports or activities, je fais, for example, du yoga, then you also use the family of contracted articles. Je fais de la randonnée, okay? That you remember. So you just have to need to have this very clear with which combinations, expressions do you use which contracted articles. That's just a very quick revision for you to be ready for your French exams. Thank you, bonne chance, good luck!